Hi, this is J3. Let's continue our AWS episode. This is episode 02, and we are prepare our environment for remote Ubuntu to run MQTT Broker. In this episode, we're gonna install the LAMP solution. The LAMP stands for Apache, PHP, Maria, and phpMyAdmin. Okay, let's run the first script. The first thing you have to do is these two apps. Okay, in the last episode we already have installed it in our machine. Okay, if you don't have, please follow this link and you get these two apps. Okay, the second step, let's upgrade this to do, and let's copy Control C. Okay, and let's return. Let's go to the, let me see. Okay, let's go to the LAMP. Okay, sorry, not here, but here or right here. Okay, now I am in my Ubuntu. Let me show you Ubuntu, and I running the Ubuntu number, let me see, 20.04 LTS on Linux. Okay, Ubuntu, and let's clear it up to continue our. Okay, let's right click the mouse, and sorry, let's repeat the copy again. Let's return to my web page. Okay, and let's copy this piece of code. Control, let's copy right here. Okay, and let's go to the Ubuntu. Okay, there you have it right here. Let's see, sorry. Okay, let's copy and let's upgrade the Ubuntu. Okay, all right. Okay, let's return to the web page. Now let's copy this piece of code right here. Okay, let's update. Let's return to the Ubuntu. Paste it, sudo, and let's see if everything is going fine. Let's see. All right, sorry, let me show you what I just made right here. Okay, just sudo upgrade, and there you have it, done. Okay, sudo upgrade, let's see, calculating, and there you have it. Okay, all right, let's return to the web page. Okay, returning to the web page, let's copy this piece of code right here. Copy. Let's install Apache 2 in our Ubuntu in the cloud. Okay, let's return to the web with this right here. Sorry, let's clear it up. Sorry, let's clear it up. Let's return, let's paste, and let's install Apache, and let's click yes. Okay, and we are installing Apache on the Ubuntu server. Okay, let's wait for the installation of the Apache right now. Processing trigger for UFV this is very rapid installation, because we are in the cloud, and the machine in the clouds of the Amazon is very rapid. It's have a great performance. When I install it in the Raspberry Pi, it takes a very long time now, with the experience that I have in the AWS, everything running rap fast. Okay, and there you have it. We have installed the Apache 2. Okay, let's see the other part of the script. What we need to do now. Now just enable the port 80 in 443 Apache 2 firewall. Let's run this first, this piece of script. UF double. UF double is a simplify, uncomplicated firewall. Let's return to the web page. Okay, right here, let's clear up to, and let's paste, let's run, and that's it. To port is updated. Let's return. Let me return to the page and copy and paste it right directed for you to gain. Okay, sudo apache uf allow, and there you have it. Let's return to my web page right now. Here I am in step 5, Apache service control. Let's start Apache right here and see if everything is working fine. Okay, let's return to the Apache right here. There you have it. Sorry about that. Where is my Apache or my, okay, let's clear up to run the Apache. Sorry, hit enter, and there you have it. Let's see the status. Start. Let's see, is status, and run it, and there you have it. You have Apache running in the web servers. Let's see what the page want to do now. Okay, and let's install PHP installation. But first, let's open the web page right here, and let's point to the let's see what is the number of my IP address. I have to return to the, okay, I will return to here. Here is my IP address, and then let's return to the right here. Let's put it, copy here, copies right here. Let's hit enter, and there you have it. Your Apache is now running on the clouds. Everything working fine. The Apache default page is up and running. Okay, the Apache server is ready in the clouds. Okay, let's return to the page right here. Okay, what I want to do now is to install my PHP installation. Let's run this piece of code right here. You have to be careful. Okay, let's go to the, okay, here you have it. Let's clear up. Sorry, Control C again. Let's clear up, and then let's paste and install MySQL database. Okay, let's run it. Okay, let's accept the terms and run everything in the clouds, and let's wait for the installation of MySQL MariaDB. Okay, MariaDB, And there you have it. Everything working fine. Let's return to my web page again. And now let's restart Apache to run the service of this. Okay, let's clear up, and let's restart the Apache, and let's see if Apache is running fine. Let's see, where is status? Okay, Apache is running right. Control C again. Let's clear up and let's return to the page. Okay, here I am in my page. Apache is running. Now let's test PHP. Let's open this page. Open nano right here, copy here, and let's return to the, copy here, hit enter, and now you have to paste this piece of code. Please take it in my web page. Control X, hit yes, and hit enter, and there you have it. Okay, now let's see what the page want me to do. Okay, here is the piece of code that I pasted in my web page. Let's go to the this link and see if everything is working fine. Okay, let's see. Paste. Let's hit enter, and there you have it. PHP 7.43 is running okay in my Ubuntu server. Okay, you see that this is for test only purpose, test only. You have to, in production, you have to get rid of this because it is very descriptive about your server in the clouds. Okay, let's return to my web page and see what we have to do next. Next, we have to MySQL installation. Okay, during MySQL installation, Apache 2 option by hitting the bar. Okay, I know what we have to do now. Let's install MySQL in the, okay, let's return to there. Okay, here you have it. Let's clear the console and let's right click the mouse and hit enter to see if everything. Click yes and hit enter again and wait for the best. MySQL is installing in my Ubuntu server. Okay, let's see if everything is running fine. Okay, it identified the Ubuntu 20 right here, and my MySQL is fitted to this Apache and Ubuntu distribution, Linux distribution. Okay, everything's looking fine. Let's see what the page want me to do now. Okay, installation. Okay, now let's make this. Okay, secure installation now. Okay, root password creation and type yes for all password, and let's go to root 1 2 3 4. Okay, let's copy this. Okay, let's return to the Ubuntu. Let's clear the console, right click the mouse and click enter, and yes, let's enter a password, and now the password will be of low security. Okay, we need to make 8 character. Okay, and the password that I will use in my is root 1 2 3. Okay, 4. Let's see, root 1 2 3 4. Let's see if I type everything. Sorry, password do not match. You know, and again, root 1 2 3 4. Enter. Again, root 1 2 3 4, and hit enter. And there you have it. Now, do you wish to provide a password? Do you wish to continue with the provided password provided? Yes, I want. And remove an animal? Yes. Yes, for everything. Yes. And disable remote login? Yes. Sorry? Yes. Hit enter. Reload privilege table. Reload privilege table now. Yes. Hit enter. And all done. Okay. I think everything is looking fine. Let's return to my web page. Okay. Now let's take command of the MySQL and see if everything is working fine. Let's return to the console. Okay, let's clear up. Sorry, let's clear up and let's see if everything, and the password is root 1 2 3 4. Hit enter, and there you have it. Exit and hit enter, and there you have it. My SQL is running right. Let's see, the next step is the phpMyAdmin installation. Okay, let's make it sudo apt-get installation. Okay, sudo apt-get updated. Let's return to the there. Let's clear it up, and let's right click the mouse, hit enter. Let's update everything. Okay, everything is updated. Now return to the page, and then what? Okay, now let's make this Ubuntu 20. Okay, let's sudo apt-get. Okay, let's see. Let's return to the web page. Sorry, let's clear the console. Right click the mouse. Now phpMyAdmin installation, hit enter and type yes, hit enter and wait for the best. See, okay, now Apache with the space bar, hit and then hit enter. Continue. I think everything is working fine. Okay. And PHP database, yes. Hit configure database with configure, yes. Okay. What is the password for root? 1 2 3 4, and hit enter. Confirmation password root 1 2 3 4, hit enter and okay. And now you have to tab, hit okay, and now you please use ignore, and we will continue our installation to the end. And there you have it. Let's return to web page. Okay, everything Now let's fix it. Okay, now let's fix it. We have to author, enter in the MySQL. Okay, MySQL. Let's sudo. Let's open the MySQL. Okay, there you have it. Let's clear the console up. Let's enter in MySQL. The password is root 1234. Enter, and now let's copy, return to the page, select authentication. Okay, now let's the root. Let's author the authentication right here. Control C. Let's author the root password. Okay, let's alter the root password. Let's return to the, okay, let's clear it up. Okay, well, we are in the MySQL. Let's copy these, let's run it. Let's put, and there you have it. The root is now identified by the password of root 1234 with the MySQL native password. Okay, now let's return to the page. Okay, granting all privilege to root. Here is, let's copy this. You have to copy this symbol right here. Let's continue. Okay, let's paste and let's hit enter, and there you have it. Let's return to the page. Now flush privilege. Okay, let's flush privilege, hit enter. Okay, now return to the page, doing the same thing with PHP user. Let's do it the same thing for PHP user to correct what we have, the error that we see in the installation of MySQL. Okay, let's hit enter. Now let's return to the page. Okay, let's grant all privilege to the MySQL. Okay, let's copy this. Now return to the page, and hit enter, and there you have it. Let's return to the page. Let's flush the privilege. Okay, let's return to the page. Now let's flash and hit enter, and there you have it. Let's return to the page again. Okay, from that point on, we have two users with the same password and the privilege of MySQL database, confirming that both users have their login password saved. Select user. Let's run this piece of code in the MySQL database. Okay, hit enter, and there you have it. We have the PHP MySQL with a password and a root password with a password again. Okay, everything looks fine. Let's exit now from the MySQL. Let's clear the console up. And now let's return to the page and see what we have to do now. Okay, now let's restart the Apache server. Okay, let's restart the Apache server. Okay, hit enter, and let's see if Apache is running. Okay, let's see if everything is status. I think it's right here. Is status. Okay, let's hit enter. No operation. Okay, sorry. status. Okay, let's, and there you have it. Apache is running fine in our instance. Okay, I think everything is fine. Let's return to the web page now and see the next step. The next step is to test phpMyAdmin. Let's copy this. Let's run it again. Control C, sorry, Control paste and hit enter and hope for the best. And there you have it. We have two users. Let's use the first one, the root, and the password is root, sorry, again, root 1234, and see if everything looking fine. And there you have it, but we have something wrong here. Configuration story is not completely, find out why. Okay, now let's create a database phpMyAdmin. Okay, everything looks fine now. Let's return to the home, and there you have it, everything is fine now. Okay, I think everything is fine now. Let's return to the web page and see what we have now to do. Root php. Okay, let's return. Let's see if we can access this with another MyAdmin password. MyAdmin. I think this is, let me see, phpMyAdmin, sorry, phpMyAdmin, and this root 123 and sync. Okay, now I have logged with phpMyAdmin at localhost and everything looks fine. Okay, fine. Let's return to the page and see what we have to do next in the 11th step. Let's hide in the visit of the hackers. Okay, we will establish login password to access our phpMyAdmin. Let's run it. Sudo this configuration right here. Okay, let's return to the console. Okay, let's Control C again. Let's clear the console, and now let's paste this piece of code and hit enter. Now I have to put one piece of one line right here. Let me show you right here. Okay, right here, Control hit OK, allow right, Control X, hit yes, hit enter, and there you have it. Let's return to the page. Okay, here is what we make now. Run this nano, and then I put this piece of line right here. Let's restart the Apache again. Let's return to the, okay, let's clear the console up, and let's restart Apache. Let's see if Apache is running. Okay, status. Okay, sorry, again right here, hit enter, and all right, everything is looking fine. Control C 2 times, clear the console, and let's return to the page and see what we have to do now. Now run this sudo nano and copy this piece of code right there. Let's return to the, okay, let's return to the here, and sorry, I do not copy. All right, sudo, okay, here is the piece of code that I have to run. Sorry about that. Let's do it again right here, and there you have it. Now I am copy this piece of code and put it right here. You can copy and paste it from my web page. Let's hit Control X. Yes, hit enter, and there you have it. Let's return to the page. What we have to do now, by restricting, okay, let's restricting this password. Let's copy J3. You can change it for your name when I will show you what we make here. Control C. Okay, return to the console. Okay, return to the console. Let's clear the console up, paste it, and let's hit enter and hit password. This is my personal password. Okay, now I think we have to test is the step 12. Now we are going to create a double data group and transfer the root permission. After all, you are not going to access your directory on the server by using root, okay? By using root. Follow this step by step. To upload the PHP install, give this permission in Ubuntu, okay? Permission in Ubuntu. ls, let's see, okay, let's see, return to the web page. Sorry. Yes, I think we are there. Yes, we are here. Let's clear the console. And okay, I already made this piece of code. The next thing I have to do now, okay, let's just go to the, let me see, where is cd, let's see, cd /var /HTML and hit enter, and there we have it. Let's see the permission here. The permission here is, let's see, ls lh, hit enter, and you see that the owner is the root and the group is the root, okay? I will transfer this to Ubuntu, okay, Ubuntu. And let's see what we have to do now to make this, okay? You see that the file, this is the file, and the user owner have right to read and write. The group have the permission to read only, and the other have the permission to read only. Okay, let's change this right now by running this piece of code right here. Okay, let me show you right here. Let's run it. Okay, now let's ls lh. Now what we see now is see what is different right now. Okay, the permission is the same, but the owner is root and the group is a double data is now the owner of this file, and data is now the owner of this file too. Okay, here is, now let's transfer the user by running this piece of code. Now I will transfer I will add the Ubuntu to a double data group. Okay, let's run it. And there you have it. Let's run it. LH. Okay, now the data. Okay, now let's make this piece of code right here, and you see everything will working fine. Okay, fine. ls lh again to see. Okay, now you see the difference right now. Okay, everything, the permission for this, for the group, and for the others. Okay, is phpMyAdmin. Okay, ls. Now let's open now PuDI again. Let's log out. Let's now log out of PuDI. And okay, returning to the page, we are now, let's open PuDI again. Let me open PuDI again, hit enter. Okay, and there you have it. I have again then here you have it, PuDI again. Let me return to the PuDI. Okay, now let's load this configuration from the, and let's hit enter, and let's wait for the best, and let's see. All right, man, everything is all right. We are on the Ubuntu again. Let's see, return to the web page and see what we have to do now. Okay, now phpMyAdmin installation, Python installation. Let's install Python. Now let's install Python. Let's return to there and clear the console up, and let's install Python 3.8 and see everything we're looking fine. Let's see. Okay, this video is very long, but this is what we have to do. Okay, we have installed Python, and then let's install PyP. Okay, here is, let's clear the console up, and let's install PyP, hit enter, and hit yes, and wait for the best. We are installing Python 3 PyP. Okay, let's wait for the installation, and then we will install Mosquito in the 14th step. Okay, wait for the installation. Okay, let's see. And there you have it. Let's return to the web page. Okay, now let's install Mosquito, and we are almost done. Okay, let's continue right here. Let's clear the console up, and let's install. Let's make an updated. Okay, and done. Now let's install, return to the web page. Let's install Mosquito, Ctrl C. Let's return to the, let's clear the console up, and let's paste, and let's install Mosquito and hit enter, and let's wait for the installation of Mosquito. Okay, all right. Now let's return to the web page. Mosquito init, or okay, let's start Mosquito. Sudo. Let's return to there. Let's clear the console up. Okay, let's paste it. Okay, now let's see if Mosquito is, start, service, start, and let's see, status, okay, hit enter, and Mosquito is running right now. Ctrl C 2 times, again, Ctrl C. Okay, Mosquito is running. Let's return to the page. Okay, Mosquito is running. Here, now we have to download and install FileZilla. Okay, let's see what we can make about this. Okay, okay, I'm already in download FileZilla. You can do it by visit my web page and see the link for the FileZilla web page. What we have to do here is that, let me show you, go to the site manager and create a new site and name it Ubuntu 20. Use SFTP and put your IP right here. As for password, Ubuntu, you can do it as anonymous. Okay, as for the password, if you want, okay, I will do it now, and click OK. Click OK. Now go to the file, let me see, file, and sorry about this, let me see, I have to make it again. Okay, sorry. Okay, here he is again. You have to create a new site right here and put the name. Okay, let's delete this. Okay, let's delete this. Let's delete. Okay, let's delete this one. Okay, yes. Okay, create this one. You have to do SFTP. Okay, you put the IP address of your site. As for password, use Ubuntu's user and hit OK. Okay, now return to the FileZilla, hit Site Manager right here, click Connect, and the password, hit enter and wait for the best. Is the second password that we did, and now you are connected to your Ubuntu successfully on the home office. And then you can go to this. Okay, let me show you where is the var. Okay, and then a double and then HTML, and then you have a phpMyAdmin and index page right here. Okay, let's visit this website and see if everything is working fine in our browser. Okay, here I am in my web page, Apache. Okay, let's put it right here, /index. Okay, index HTML, and hit enter, and there you have it. We are in the Ubuntu. Okay, let's put it in another PHP only for test. Okay, let's now what I will make is a index PHP and put this hello world remote AWS Ubuntu is up and running. Thank you for watching this video. Visit webpage by, and for this I will put the data of today, 8/01/2021 for this, and hit enter. and hit save with PHP. Okay, now let's put this file, let's save this file in the download, and let's put it in the FileZilla. Okay, let's put it in the FileZilla. Okay, let's drag this file to the FileZilla and see if everything is running. Okay, signing up, and there you have it. Index.php and index.php. Okay, save it successfully in this directory. Okay, now let's test it in the browser. Now when I hit the page again, I have to put my password. Okay, let's J3 and password, the password that you put in the second. All right, now let's open with the root login, root 1234, hit enter. Sorry, my password, root, okay, and the password is root 1234 and hit enter, and there you have it. All right, we are logged in the root again in the episode. Now let's go to this page and PHP and hit enter, and there you have it. Hello world, remote US AWS Ubuntu is running. Thank you for watching this video. This is J3. Thank you. This is the day that I am shooting this video for you. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye for now.